There are a variety of tools at the disposal of educators, instructional designers, and students that can display their creativity. When it comes to instructional designers, we need to engage both students and educators to be invested in our course design. Whether through presentations or web pages, instructional designers can leverage graphic design to enhance their success. One useful tool when it comes to easily creating professional level design is Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark is a web-based application that eliminates the need for a software that is demanding on one's hardware, especially with not having to sacrifice majority of your computer's hard drive. Within a single web page, you can create infographics, website banners, standard graphics, and more. What is even more beneficial is that students can utilize Adobe Spark to demonstrate the knowledge that they've acquired in a way that will engage them. To get started, you do not need an overwhelming amount of graphic design knowledge to create graphics. If you have just a basic understanding of a program such as Microsoft Paint, you can easily learn to navigate Adobe Spark. For more in-depth tutorials to enhance your skills, you can head over to YouTube and search Adobe Spark tutorial. Now, let's get started by first accessing Adobe Spark. While Adobe Spark is currently a paid service, you either can access it for free through your institution, whether it be by school district, college, or university who holds a licensing with Adobe. If not, you can easily sign up for a free trial through Adobe to complete a particular endeavor, or if it is needed by a student for a one-time assignment. Now, let's open Adobe Spark. I'm currently accessing Adobe Spark through the Adobe Creative Cloud. You can also access Adobe Spark directly from your web browser by logging in using your preferred method. As you can see, you have a variety of options at your disposal to create whatever you choose. Let's check out this small Spark video I made in a minute. Adobe Spark has unlimited potential for those seeking to get a message across. To showcase this program, let's attempt to create a simple web page banner for my portfolio. As you can see here, I have a blank slate, but it is a work in progress. And as you can see, there are a wide range of options to enhance anything that you're working on within Adobe Spark. And as you can see here, you also have a wide variety of palette options that are presets, but you can also alter them to come up with your own color palette. So let's see if we can spruce this up with some icons. Here you can see you have a wide variety of icons that can be used to customize anything within your graphic. You can also see that it's pretty easy to readjust all of your sizes, the position within your graphic that you're working on, so it makes everything so much simpler. Again, you have a wide variety of thousands of icons at your disposal that comes with the program. And at this point, we're done. Now you have a nice graphic or a banner for, let's say, my portfolio or any website. Again, using Adobe Spark is extremely easy, especially the way that the user interface is laid out. You really don't have to question much of anything. Everything isn't buried within user commands or anything as far as menu options. Everything is clearly outlined on each side of the pane of the window. It is easy to export. As you saw, you had a PNG option, which is very helpful when you're working on other things. And as you can see here, you also have an example of previous items that I've worked on. I hope that you found this helpful. That concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.